Enter a world where imagination knows no bounds with the MetaQuest 3 128GB. Prepare for an odyssey like no other as Asgard's Wrath 2 joins your MetaQuest 3 adventure, yours to claim with your purchase. Immerse yourself in a reality where the extraordinary becomes the norm. Your surroundings morph into an electrifying playground, blurring the lines between what's real and what's virtual. Feel the surge of power coursing through your veins with the MetaQuest 3. It's not just a headset, it's your ticket to unparalleled experiences. Witness visuals that will leave you breathless on the 4K Plus Infinite display, where every pixel tells a story of its own. And let the enhanced 3D audio surround you, pulling you deeper into the heart of the action. With Touch Plus controllers in hand, you'll wield newfound precision and control. Reach out and touch the impossible, as virtual worlds respond to your every gesture with uncanny realism. Embark on a journey of discovery through a vast universe of over 500 immersive apps. From heart-pounding adventures to tranquil escapes, there's something for everyone. And with up to 2.2 hours of playtime, the only limit is your imagination. Activate Battery Saver mode to extend your adventures even further and keep the thrills going. Unleash the full potential of entertainment with the MetaQuest 3 128GB. Your destiny awaits! Presenting Apple Vision Pro, the next evolution in immersive experiences. Transform any space into your personal theater with stunning visuals and spatial audio that immerses you in every moment. Whether you're diving into movies, gaming, or catching up on your favorite shows, Apple Vision Pro delivers an unparalleled viewing experience with more pixels than a 4K TV for each eye. But wait, there's more. With Apple Vision Pro's groundbreaking 3D camera, capture unforgettable spatial photos and videos that bring your memories to life like never before. Relive every moment with immersive spatial audio that surrounds you. Stay connected and collaborate effortlessly with life-size FaceTime video tiles, perfect for connecting with friends, family, and colleagues in a whole new way. Plus, with apps for real-time document collaboration, productivity has never been smoother. Experience rich spatial audio that keeps you grounded in reality, while eyesight technology ensures others know when you're fully engaged in your apps. With its sleek design featuring three-dimensionally formed laminated glass and a custom aluminum alloy frame, Apple Vision Pro seamlessly blends style with functionality. Elevate your entertainment, capture unforgettable moments, and embrace connectivity like never before with Apple Vision Pro. Get yours today and step into boundless possibilities. Get ready to be blown away by the DPVR E4. It's simply amazing. Slip on the DPVR E4 VR headset and step into a world where every gaming dream comes true. With seamless compatibility with the Steam VR platform, you'll discover an incredible selection of over 7,000 thrilling games just waiting to be explored. Feel the adrenaline rush as you immerse yourself in heart-pounding action, all while enjoying the unmatched comfort of its ultra-lightweight design. And with its expansive viewing angle, get lost in stunning landscapes and mesmerizing details that transport you to another dimension. Experience gaming like never before with the DPVR E4. Don't miss out, get yours today and embark on the ultimate gaming adventure. Experience the ultimate escape with the PlayStation VR 2 White. Your ticket to a world of unparalleled adventure and excitement. Prepare to be transported to breathtaking new realms, where every moment is filled with jaw-dropping 4K HDR visuals and an expansive 110-degree field of view that pulls you right into the heart of the action. Powered by the mighty PS5, get ready for graphics so lifelike they'll leave you questioning what's real and what's virtual. But the magic doesn't stop there. Immerse yourself in a truly revolutionary gaming experience with PlayStation VR 2 Sense technology. From eye tracking to headset feedback and 3D audio, every sensation is heightened, every emotion amplified, making every game feel more immersive and intense than ever before. With intuitive controllers that feel like a natural extension of your hands, you'll find yourself lost in worlds that feel so real, you'll forget you're wearing a headset. And here's the best part. Setting up your PlayStation VR 2 Lite is easier than ever. With just one cable connecting you to your PS5 console, you'll be diving into thrilling new adventures in no time. So why wait? Step into the future of gaming with the PlayStation VR 2 Lite and prepare to be amazed like never before. Your next epic adventure awaits. Discover a whole new world of possibilities with the MetaQuest Pro. Seamlessly transition between tasks with resizable screens, whether you're brainstorming ideas, tackling projects, or catching up with friends. With its sleek design and top-notch ergonomics, enjoy maximum comfort even during extended wear. Experience the best of both worlds with high-resolution mixed reality pass-through, allowing you to stay connected to your surroundings while immersing yourself in virtual spaces. Express yourself authentically with meta avatars, bringing your natural facial expressions to life in VR, adding a personal touch to meetings and social gatherings. Immerse yourself completely with the MetaQuest Touch Pro controllers, which accurately translate your hand movements and gestures into virtual reality. With advanced haptics technology, every touch feels incredibly real, blurring the lines between reality and virtuality. But the real star of the show, the enhanced visual experience. With pancake lenses, increased pixel density, local dimming, and quantum dot technology, enjoy stunning visual clarity whether you're gaming, socializing, or multitasking. Experience a new way of seeing, working, and playing with the MetaQuest Pro. Your gateway to boundless possibilities awaits.
Wanna be my